Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x that satisfy this equation. Solution. First, let us simplify the numerator. 15 raised to power x plus 15 raised to power x plus 15 raised to power x plus 15 raised to power x is equal to, let us factor out 15 raised to power x. We are going to have 15 raised to power x 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because if we open the bracket back we are going to get this. So we can see is equal to 15 raised to power x multiplied by 4, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 4. Also, let us simplify the denominator. 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x equal to, let us factor out 3 raised to power x. We are going to have 3 raised to power x bracket 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 raised to power x multiplied by 2. So let us substitute this for the numerator and this for the denominator. So the equation will become 15 raised to power x multiplied by 4 over 3 raised to power x multiplied by 2 equal to 1250. 2 here will give us 1, 2 here will give us 2. So the equation will now be 15 raised to power x multiplied by 2 over 3 raised to power x equal to 1250. The next thing we have to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 2. So 15 raised to power x over 3 raised to power x multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 equal to 1250 multiplied by 1 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 625. So the equation becomes 15 raised to power x over 3 raised to power x equal to 625. And in indices, if we have a raised to power b over c raised to power b is equal to a over b all raised to power b. So here our power is the same, so we can write it as 15 over 3 all raised to power x equal to 625. Now 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So the equation will become 5 raised to power x equal to 625, and 5 raised to power 4 is equal to 625. So let us replace 625 with 5 raised to power 4. So 5 raised to power x equal to 5 raised to power 4. If we compare both sides, our x is equal to 4. So, therefore, x equal to 4. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.